In this Argos Support video, we will show you some easy troubleshooting tips for your condenser tumble dryer. If you find your tumble dryer is not starting, stops unexpectedly, or is not drying clothes properly, it can usually be solved with some essential maintenance. Before we begin, it is important to consider the load sizes being used in your appliance. If the drum is being overloaded or underloaded for the program you've selected, it may affect your drying results and may even stop the drum from turning. When it comes to the maintenance checks, we suggest turning off the appliance and unplugging from power. Firstly, check that the lint filter has been emptied and cleaned. Remove the filter by sliding out of the unit. Use your hands or a soft cloth to clean the lint. Then close and refit the lint filter. Next, empty the water tank. Pull the drawer cover and carefully remove the tank. Empty the water tank and reinsert it. The condenser unit also needs to be cleaned. This is the unit normally located at the bottom of the appliance. Open the plinth and release the cover locks on the condenser. Carefully pull out the unit. Clean the unit with a shower head to remove any dirt from inside. Allow it to dry fully before inserting the condenser into place. Close the locks and close the plinth cover. Another area to clean is the humidity sensor. This is the sensor inside the machine which detects if the laundry is dry. To clean this, open the door and use a soft cloth soaked in vinegar to wipe the sensors. Once wiped clean, dry the sensors with a soft, dry cloth. Finally, we recommend performing a power reset to reboot the appliance. Unplug the appliance from the socket. Hold down the Start/Pause button for 10 seconds. Wait another 30 seconds and then plug back in. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.